Hi, sir.
Hello. Hi. Good morning.
Good morning. I am super impressed with this workshop.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Can you tell me more about this workshop, please?
Hi. Good morning. My name is Rajan, Senior Service Advisor from Autohaus, Middle East, and we are a German car specialist. We work on most all of the German cars, and we work on supercars, and we modify cars. We help to do the track days, and we assess customers on tracks in person, and as well as we work on the cars.
What are the services that you are providing?
We do servicings, we do modifications, we provide customers extended warranties, service contract packages, and all other repairs.
Electrical, mechanical, and paint?
Electrical, mechanical, AC repairs, and paintings.
Fantastic. Is there special rates for the people watching this video?
Yes, definitely. If you can pass by our workshop, if you have any issues, we can check on the cars and we can provide a better price and good discounts as well.
Thank you. And where are you located?
We are located in DIP 1, right opposite to Expo City,
DIP, Dubai
Dubai Investment Park 1.
Investment Park.
Yes.
We'll keep the phone numbers and contact details at the description box. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Dr. Car Channel and mobile application are the best.